How to link other devices on Signal. To link other devices to your Signal account is the easiest way to use because Signal has multi-device feature. So first of all, open the Signal app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Signal account. Now simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and from the drop-down menu tap on the settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down and there you can see link device option available. Now simply tap on the link device. You can see link a new device option available there. Tap on it and you'll be navigated to a camera section. All you have to do is open the Signal desktop app on your computer and it will show you a QR code and scan the QR code displayed on your desktop screen. And once the QR code is scanned successfully, the devices will be linked. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.